Welcome to this episode of Robert's Creative Chronicles. So today we'll be solving this question, which states that given that z is equal to 1 plus I, find z raised to the power of 20 using the Moivre's theorem. So according to the Moivre's theorem, Zn is equal to Rn cos n theta plus I sin n theta. So where R is the modulus and theta is the argument, then n here is 20. So I have to find the modulus, which is R. R is equal to root of x squared plus y squared. So this is what? What is x? X is 1. Y is what is the imaginary part, which is also 1. So this is equal to root 2, which is also equal to 2 raised to the power of 1 over 2. Then theta is the argument, which is equal to tan inverse y over x. Tan inverse, what is y? Y is 1. X is also 1, which is equal to tan inverse 1. Tan inverse 1. Tan inverse 1 is what is 45 degrees. If you want, you can convert this to radian. This will be equals to what? 45 divided by 180. 45 divided by 180 is pi over 4. So this is what? Pi over 4 radian. This is pi over 4 radian. So now we can substitute this into this equation to find z20. So 0 raised to the power of 20 is what? What is R? R is 2 raised to the power of 1 over 2 raised to the power of 20. Then cos n is 20, cos 20 times what is theta? Theta is pi over 4 plus I sin 20 pi over 4. So z20 is equal to, this times this is what? Is 10. So 2 raised to the power of 10. Then 20 divided by 4 is what? Is 5. So this is cos 5 pi plus I sin 5 pi. So this is our final answer. If you want, you can also use degrees, 45 degrees. So here will be cos 20 times 45. But in this one, we have used radian angles. So it's also the same thing, it's also correct. When you use radian or pi angles here, that is argument, that's for the argument, it's also correct. So this is how to use the Moivre's theorem to solve this complex number. I hope you understood this episode. If you have any question, feel free to contact me using my WhatsApp or email in the description below, or you can write them in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to get notified as soon as I drop a new video. Thanks.